Greetings, citizens. I am Bekezela Maplanka from Bulilima constituents, Plumtree in Matabeleland South. Looking at the situation in this country, I don't think it's a good idea to have an extension to 2030. I may completely say ZANU-PF has failed the nation of Zimbabwe. The majority of the people are living in poverty as there are no job opportunities. 90% of the people are unemployed. This has left them with no choice but to leave for the neighboring countries to seek for greener pastures. Many big companies, to mention but few, Merlin Towels, Dunlop Tires, National Blankets, and many more closed down long ago. The government hospitals are in bad state. Last week, I visited one of the hospitals in Bulawayo. The ward outside doors are very, very old, without padlocks. Medication is not accessible, making it hard for the people to receive proper care. Education is expensive. Children are dropping out of school due to poverty and lack of government support for basic education. We believe that in the next new government that will be led by President Advocate Nelson Chamisa, all these things shall be looked into. All the problems that are being faced by Zimbabweans shall be solved. For example, employment, hospitals, people are going to receive free medication. Children are going to receive free education. Roads are going to be fixed. Everyone is just going to have opportunity in everything that they need.